Hi, this is Marusha from Lux Live Property Group, and today I'm going to show you Midstream Cycles shop, and this is part of our Know Your Neighborhood series. Let's go in and have a look at what Midstream Cycles has to offer. So let's start by saying that we are meters away from the school, so your kids can ride to school. If anything goes wrong with the bike, there's a workshop in the bike shop. They can just come in and have their bike fixed whilst waiting there. The shop offers all sorts of bikes, apparel, sunglasses, nutrition, and just about anything you can imagine or wish for. And it is a great, safe environment in the neighborhood. Just come, ask for Hanfred, he will sort you out, he will measure the right bike for you, he will give you advice on everything that you need, and whatever they don't have in stock, they will order for you. They also offer weekend bike groups where there's different skill level, and the neighborhood cyclists can come along and join the biking community. And of course, there is a coffee shop on site, and they even offer pastries over the weekend and soon every day.
Hi. First coffee in town.
There we go.
Yeah.
And now it's my turn to have a cup of coffee whilst I'm waiting for my bicycle to be set up. My brand new bike. I'm so excited. Not dressed for the occasion, but let's go. Enjoy.